Today's video is sponsored by Bull in a Bag Peanuts. I'd like to thank the guys for sending over this awesome box, and I can't wait to get into it on camera and also actually make these, and we're going to try these out. Now if you want to check these out, I'm going to go ahead and put these in the description down below. But the box that I got is the first thing here is I got some fried peanuts, which I've never had these, but these actually look really good. I've had some peanut brittle, which then we're going to have to open this up and try that. Now, I may have kind of a weird thing, and y'all can tell me if yours has had this. My mom would always make peanut brittle at Christmas time, and family would always have peanut brittle at Christmas, so I always associate peanut brittle with Christmas. Like I said, my family may just be weird. And then, of course, I got two Bull in a Bag of Peanuts in this nice bag. So I'm going to go ahead and get one out. Come on over, and let's get one started. What we're going to do is we're going to take our bag here, and we got two different flavors. We have original, and we have Cajun. We're going to make Cajun today and get it out. There we go. We got Cajun. We'll go ahead and put original aside. And then what's really kind of cool about these is you just take it, cloth bag and everything. It does smell really good. And then on the back, it does say instructions. But I got my Instapot out here. So what we're going to do is we're going to come on over and we're going to fill up the Instapot. We're going to put them in here. We're going to put it for 4 hours. And then as you can see here, I'm just putting some water in here. And we're just going to your max fill line. Just real quick to kind of show you these brew in a bag system. What's tied off, I don't know if you can see, but basically we just take this bag here and we're gonna put the bag in there. Just let it kind of float in there and kind of sink down a little bit. Alright, now we got aside. Gonna put on our Instapot lid. Now, we put on our Instapot lid. And then we're going to set pressure to high. And then we're going to set the time to 4 hours. What the instructions say. Then we're going to press start. Now for comparison, I went out and I just got a thing of canned boiled peanuts, and we're going to try them side by side. Go ahead and get this started. And here are the fried peanuts. I ain't never had these before, but these actually look really good. They actually are really good. No, it's salty. I got being fried. It kind of reminds me of like a popcorn almost. Just peanuts. And then gotta open up and fry the peanut brittle. Like I said, maybe my family's weird, but peanut brittle is always kind of like a Christmas time thing. So I've definitely had lots of peanut brittle over the years. It's really, really good. Very sweet. Very crunchy. Just won't be here very long. Go ahead and get that out. And we'll go ahead and take that over here. Go ahead and dump those out in the bowl here. And then we got the kind that comes in a can that you can get from most any grocery store. So if we take one of these, I think we've all had these before. They're all right. Now we're going to take one of these. We're going to go ahead and really good flavor. So much better. And these things are good, honestly. I definitely, eating a lot of these. I have the Cajun flavored ones. Thank you so much for watching. And if you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Hit that bell button down at the bottom to know when I'm updating stuff. And I'd like to thank Bull in the Bag Peanuts for going and giving me these. Now, it did take about 5 hours in the Instapot, 4 hours for it to set, and then like an hour or so for it to kind of do its own thing. Well, I guess I had a Ninja instead of an Instapot, but they all do the same thing. But anyways, we've all, like I said, we've all had the ones out of the can, but these are so good. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. These are seriously good. Usually after I make these videos, I go and sit down and eat whatever I made. I've been sitting here for like 5 minutes just eating these. Man, that's so good.